Hey, how's it going everyone? In this video here, you are going to find out how to set up remote desktop connection on Windows 10. Doing this is simple and straightforward. But to do this, there are two things you need to take into consideration. First, the computer you are going to connect to. Second, the computer you are actually using. First, make sure that the computer you are about to connect to allows remote connections. So to do that, to enable remote connections, go to the start button at the bottom left corner of the screen. So go to the computer you are going to connect to the PC you are going to connect to, and then from there go to the start button at the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then you're going to right click it, and then you're going to click where it says system. Okay, and so it should take you to this screen right here. Alright, now go to the left side of the screen and click where it says advanced system settings right here. Okay, so now go to the tab that says remote right here, and then make sure these options are enabled. By default they are disabled, so make sure this is enabled. Allow remote assistant connection to this computer, and go down right here and make sure you choose this option, allow remote connections to this computer. Now don't check this, make sure this is not checked, the one that says allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. The reason is, even though it's more secure, but it limits how you connect through Windows desktop through remote desktop. So don't choose this option right here. So after doing all of that, click apply and then click OK. Alright, so now the computer you're about to connect to is all set up, and now you can remotely connect to it. Well, now how do we do that? Well, now go to your computer, go to your main computer, and then now you are going to open the remote desktop app. So to do that, click the start button right here and then just type remote desktop, and here it is, remote desktop connection. Here it is right here, remote desktop connection. You should see it, and click on it, and here it is. As you can see here, it's asking me for the computer name. So enter the computer name here or the IP address and then click connect. Okay, so right here you are going to enter the computer name or the IP address and then click connect. But wait, what if you don't know the computer name? What if you don't know the IP address? Easy. Well, say for example you want to find the IP address. Doing this is quite simple. Go right here at the bottom right corner of the screen this time, and you see where this wireless icon here is, where this wireless icon is. If you are using a wired connection, a physical connection, you should see two computers right here. So where you see this Wi-Fi icon, right click it and then click open network and sharing center right here. Open network and sharing center. Oops. And then they should open it right here. Alright, and if that doesn't work for you, you can always do this. You can always click the start button at the bottom left corner of the screen and then type network and sharing center. Okay, so now it should take you to the same screen. Alright, so now you should see your main connection right here. You should see your main connection, whether it is wired or Wi-Fi. So now you're going to right click it. So you're going to click on it. Click on it, and now you're going to click where it says details right here. Details, and right here you should see your IP address. And now where it says IPv4 address right here, well, this is your IP address right there. Okay, very simple to do. And another way you can find your IP address, another way, is by going right here to the bottom left corner of the screen, type command prompt select one as administrator, right click on it and select one as administrator, and then type IP config right here, press enter, and here you go, the IPv4 address, same number right here. So there are many ways to find the IP address. Okay, and so that IP address, you want to enter it where it says the computer name, or as you know, you can also enter the computer name, and to find that is also really simple. All you have to do is go right here to the bottom left corner of the screen. You're going to right click right here, right click, and then click on system again. Click on system, and then this window should open, and as you can see right here, here's your computer name. All right, here's your computer name. So once you have all of that information, once you have your IP address or your computer name, open remote desktop connection. So go to the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then type remote desktop, and so open the remote desktop app, and then enter your computer name or IP address right here, enter it, and then click connect, and that's it. Once you do this, you should be connected to your other computer. So as you can see, it is that simple to set up remote desktop connection on Windows 10. There are many ways to do it, and do the way that is best for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.